I thought this was going to be a video of like a viral hair tutorial, but I want to think I deleted the video, which I need to find it because I need to get that out to y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I just woke up. I was like, well, actually, I'm sitting in my work parking deck. So I just figured I'll go ahead and knock this video out, voiceover wise. If you don't know, most of the time I don't do talkovers in my hair videos because I just want to get over with trying to explain it while I'm doing it. I'm just like, no, we are doing it. Let me just do a voiceover. So what in the world? Sorry if you get tired of my voice, especially with it being like this because it's like raspy. But yes, here we are. We're going to do a hair tutorial. When I did this hair tutorial, I didn't know what I was doing with the hair. I just knew that I just wanted to put something on my head and just do something. I'm still trying to work on my hairline, baby hairs, all of that. That is why I continue to do these videos, and I'm not going to stop doing these videos until I get it. I don't really have anybody to work on as far as a person, because my mom can put on a wig and then she'll take it off, which is fine, but yeah, ma'am, I need you to wear this wig for at least 2 weeks. Why are you trying to take it out? And then you ask me for a whole other style when I gotta figure out what I'm doing to my hair. So I try to keep my hair done just so she does, want her hair done. I'm good with helping her. Because a lot of times she don't even be wanting a wig. Like, she'll say she want a wig and then she keep the wig in for a few days and then she take it off. But enough of her. Let's get back to this video. A lot of times I don't let it sit on for 10 minutes because after like 5 or 6, I used, what do you call it? The spritz spray, and that dries pretty quick. So it's so many different techniques out here in this world. I'm just like, let me just try them all to see which one works for me. The Erica glue works for me the best so far right now. I did do a video on using water to take it off, and water does take it off. Again, I will link that video down below just so that you can see the video. But I like Erica J glue. I'm trying to think who else glue have I used. There's so many videos on my channel you can just see. I created bangs with a glue. It's so many things that I'm just trying out this year. So many things. But yes, trying to do better with my baby hairs, cutting them in a certain way, cutting them at a certain length. I'm still trying to figure that out. I like short baby hairs. I like baby hairs that aren't really there. They're just like a little, like maybe like 3 or 4 in my in my baby hair, and I'm good with that. I use different powders. I'm trying to stick with one. My thing when it comes to how I work, I want to do one powder or like one brand of powder, but different colors for like different skin tones that I work with. But I want one brand. Like, I don't want somebody can be like, so what brand do you use? And I have to say, oh, well, I use this on this day. I use this on this day. Like, I just want to stick to one brand. Excuse me. I really enjoy doing these videos, though, honestly. Hot comb, as y'all can see, I need me a new one. Like, my cord is only it feels like 3 inches. And it doesn't get hot. Like, in the video, you're going to see I touched the thing because I'm like, why is this thing hot? And it has 3 settings. This was like the cheapest one. I think it was like $11. I just wanted to get something at the moment because I didn't want to spend, over a certain amount, because I was just starting and I just haven't went and got another one. So honestly, when I did this, I wasn't really sure what style I was going to do. I just started working on my head and just kind of went with the flow. Just wanted to see what I wanted to do. Sometimes I like my baby hairs, and then I look back and I'm like, oh, okay, those don't look as good as I thought they did. But again, we're still working on it. I feel like I'm really going to get it down pat. Because even when I do my braids, I don't do baby hairs. Like how people leave out so much baby hair. I don't do that because it just like the curling of it. I really want to know, how do y'all do that? Like, is it a tech? Like, is it a motion in your hand? It's just, I just be wondering, like, what is it? Because I feel like that really makes the style look so good. Like, when you have the separation between your edges and your hairline, that looks very pretty. And then I just like the baby hairs. If you're doing baby hairs, it takes to another level. If you're not doing baby hairs, your hairline got to be on point. So just working on trying to get all of those things done before I start saying, yes, I service this. Or like, I want to post it on TikTok, but I want it to look a certain way before I post it on TikTok, because I don't just want to put out anything for y'all. But like on YouTube, maybe it's trial and error. But I feel like on TikTok, you got to come correct. I don't know what it is. That's just how I be thinking. Anyways, continue watching this video. I was going to do a middle part. Ended up doing a side part. I enjoy side part. I don't know what it is. A side part with like a bang in the front with like a curl just does something to me. And then I need my long bundles back. I've been having short bundles since I started putting these wigs back on my head, and I want my long hair back. It's time for new hair. I'm just waiting to clean out my wig. Then, as y'all do know, I have a container full of wigs, and I just want to clean them out. And in order for me to do that, I have to put the wigs on and just see what works and what doesn't work. This one kind of did work. I'm going to give them 2 tries. If I try it once and it does not do right at all, then we ain't got to do no second try. We can just throw it away. But if I'm like, okay, this could be a contestant, then yes, we have to wait a second time. And then if it wins, if it makes it to the finale, it's going to go back into the bin. Continue watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yes, more videos and shorts on the way.